Welcome to Craig and Mike's Road Trip 2020 for working on ideas and better business solutions.
I can't even see your face with that thing up on your screen.
Well, I'll turn it
sure,
off.
We're exposed properly, but what are our
Oh,
smiles
right
look like?
away. Wait, we're just trying to do an intro, Craig.
I'm sorry!
Already you're talking about full frame versus micro four thirds. I don't know if we explained fully what's going on here, but we're just in the parking lot, just doing some tests, figuring some stuff out. It's got an EOS R. I've got the trusty Panasonic GH5. We're gonna run through all kinds of tests on this trip, lots of ideas, and we have the station, and also we have something exciting happening right now.
I'll give you a quick little...
Oh boy, he's on it and he's riding it.
This is the only thing...
Yeah, to get off,
This is all you need to learn.
don't tear your groin,
Are
Craig.
you guys gymnasts?
Negative.
You both look Romanian. I figured you might have been gymnasts.
Well, it's probably the muscles you're looking at, but...
Side to side, getting used to that.
So you want to lean forward a little more.
A little bit clearly.
Yeah, so a little more weight forward.
A little more weight forward.
Also look more natural. You look a little weird, tensed up. Craig, they're harder than they look.
You got on it right away. That's pretty good.
Just get on it, ride it, man. Just go forward. All right, we did something dumb. Or smart. Depends. I think maybe brilliant.
I think it's the best thing we could have possibly
We
done.
came to the right park. Dude was test riding Onewheels. Now both me and Craig own Onewheels.
They're camera dollies, Mike.
Camera dollies.
Camera dollies.
It's for work.
Come on, if you own a one wheel and film things, you have for sure used a one wheel to get smoother shots.
Now I've discovered the worst thing about owning a one wheel is waiting for it to charge. Ah, life sucks right now.
100% charge. Let's go.
Man, I gotta say, these things are incredible. Like, Craig has no snowboard experience, no board experience. Look at him, he's ripping. I jumped on this thing, knew how to ride it right away. Like, incredible. Worth every penny for the technology, I think. Sorry, Danny. Had to be done. Anyways, let me introduce you to Craig, my partner in crime. Me and Craig here have a business that we're forming together, a media company that is in its fledgling days right now, And this whole trip that we're on right now is kind of an experiment to see how that would work if we were a traveling production company in this amazing studio that Craig has built. What do you talk about, like, what your vision of this whole, like,
Yeah.
portable studio that you have built?
I think it's great that you're sitting in a car seat right
It
now.
hurts. It's definitely, my hips are a little bit wide for this car seat.
Yeah, I guess the idea is that you could kind of be anywhere. And that doesn't necessarily have to be on the road, but if there was a job, say, even in Cameras, like let's say there was a wedding party over a weekend or something like that, you can just set up camp there.
Yeah.
You have everything you need. It's almost like how like the TV crews used to roll around in a van with all their stuff, right?
Yeah.
You know, they were doing broadcast, but like, you know, knowing that you have everything you need, you can charge your stuff. You're not having to lug like backpacks around and everything like that. You have a place to step away from the scene.
Yeah.
Like, you know, even with like fancy real estate stuff, maybe you want to get some Twilight stuff. You want to get some different time of day, right? So a place where you can just go and you come back and edit. You can be out of the way. You can be out of people's hair and be anywhere. Like you can be totally independent to be anywhere. Let's say there is, you know, a $3 million home in Kelowna that wants a really, really premium product, and so now, yeah, you got like the super smooth footage with the one wheel. You can do your twilight shots, maybe wait for the weather to get a little bit better.
Yeah.
You know, or events that are time sensitive too, and so it just allows like way better than if you were staying in a hotel and you'd be lugging around all this gear.
Yeah, like
forgetting
taking it
stuff.
in and out, and then even worrying.
out.
I mean, I guess you have to worry about people stealing your gear in this thing too. But I'm always like uncomfortable leaving the hotel room with gear
for sure.
in it and stuff. So
Yeah.
like this way, you're kind of always with your gear a lot more.
Totally.
Because you come back and you're driving it around, and it's always with you.
Well, and then like cutting down on costs as well too. It's like, okay, we can, like, there's a kitchen here. There's, you know, not only the accommodation cost, but there's like everything. You know, it's basically it's a portable home, so you can.
I mean, you did buy this vehicle though, so it's not like.
Oh sure.
There's a cost involved in that, but
absolutely.
I mean, but if you're gonna use it
Oh, yeah.
all the time, I think then you're getting the value out of it or whatever, right?
Oh, for sure.
Lots of people will only use it for their camping trips.
Totally, but like as far as like you know, like pricing a job out, you know, if there's let's say there's like a job at the travel adventure company or something like that where there's a multi-day shoot, it's easier to be in full control of, you know, all your gear, making sure you have everything in the shoot, as well as just to come from a situation where you know everything's where it belongs.
And it's fun as hell too.
Oh yeah.
We don't get to go on road trips very much anymore, like just like fun road trips with your buds.
Right.
And so this trip has, you know, I think been more of a business bonding, human bonding trip.
Planning in a test and make sure that it could work.
But also like being able to charge Onewheels, just being able to do that means that you can charge anything in here because they probably draw a bit more power.
Yeah, for sure.
So we have, you know, you can draw all of your batteries. I'm transferring data right now on the table with the laptop. Like you've portableized the whole operation.
Totally. Yeah, everything is totally portable. Everything that's required is right here.
Yeah.
And when we know where it is.
Yeah. So Emotive Media is the brand. Look, I just put it on the screen.
You have to hold it up. Can you track my hand?
Yeah, okay. Go slow. Okay, yeah, that's probably. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. That's it.
That's it. Right on.
Onewheels.
Let's go ride some Onewheels.
Got me feeling like a drop in the sand, like a worm in the storm. A hungry hunger inside.
Oh my goodness. That was amazing. That pretty good end to Craig and Mike's Adventure 2020 for learning to do things good with film and business.
We're gonna still have bacon, so it's not quite over yet.
Oh yeah, bacon and eggs now, and then back on the road and back home to reality for a little bit, I guess. Although, I think we're getting closer to making this a reality as we do it more. Maybe not this specifically, but on the road making films, it's gonna happen. Thanks for following along. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Awesome. See ya.